Good morning, dear children. Today we will read the next lesson, that is Haldi's adventure. So, here Haldi is a girl, and it is a story about that girl. You can see in the picture, she is a beautiful girl wearing a beautiful dress, and she is going to school. So, let me first read it. One morning, as Haldi walked to school, she met a giraffe. The giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldi." Haldi looked up at him. "I am sorry to stare," she said, "but I have never met a giraffe like you." "My name is Smiley," said the giraffe. "Whenever you see me, you will smile." Haldi was surprised and happy too. Then she remembered that she would be late for school. So she said to the giraffe, "I would love to talk to you, but I must rush to school or I will be late." The giraffe said, "Not if you ride on my back. If you climb on my back, I will run so fast that you will feel you are flying to school." "Do you go to school every day?" "Yes," said Haldi. "I go to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. On Saturdays, I play games at school." "What do you do in school?" asked the giraffe. "I learn about the stars, the trees, the birds, and the animals." "That is good," said the giraffe. "I love books too. They are lots of fun. Now jump on my back. I will take you to school." Haldi then jumped on the giraffe's back and found that she could see so many things from the top. And before she knew it, she had reached the school playground. She climbed down. When she turned back to thank the giraffe, she found that he had gone away. "Oh," Haldi thought, "what a wonderful adventure I had." So you can see that the girl, she was talking to the giraffe, and as she said that I'll be getting late. Okay, first tell me, what is the name of the girl? It is Haldi. And what is the name of the giraffe? Smiley. Smiley, when you see someone with this name, you will definitely feel like smiling, na? And it is such a beautiful giraffe carrying a book with specs on his eyes, glasses. Na? Glasses means what? Specs. Chashma, yes. Okay, so they are talking, and like you, Haldi goes to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And on Saturday, she comes to school but to play games. But you play games at your home. So, in this way, the story is that at last the giraffe helped Haldi to reach her school, and when she thought that I should thank him, she turned back and the giraffe was not there to be thanked. So, in this lesson, you have learned this difficult word: giraffe, surprised, adventure, wonderful, playground. You have to write all these words five times in your notebook. Write these words 5 times. Okay. Now let's move on to the next. It says, where was Haldi going? Yes, you can write the answer. Haldi was going to school. Why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? Because it was something different, na? This, he was wearing glasses, he was carrying a book. And how did she reach school? The giraffe took him on his back. Okay, these are the 3 questions you have to write from this lesson, nothing else. Then one activity is given that you have to color these triangles with orange color, the circles with red, and the lines in blue. Okay, I hope you will do it. It is not possible because all of you may not be having the book, so you can draw. It is easy. You can draw it in your copy. Then next one poem is given, Paddling Pool. Down by the river on the way to school, we have to pass by the paddling pool. The grass is green and the water so cool, and we stay to play by the paddling pool. Down by the river on the way to school. Okay, see, it is such a nice poem with all the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words? School and pool. Yes. In this way, this is over, and here you have to write. This is very easy. All of you know boats sail, dogs bark, children play, bells ring, and birds sing. Okay, and here it is. Already I have given this activity to you, that you have to write the names of the days of the week. This is already you have done, no need to do it again. The next exercise is Haldi wrote her name in this way, where she has written H is small. All of you know na, that we write our name in capital letters. We start our name with capital. So you will write here Haldi, and in the next question you have to write your name correctly. Capital letter of your first name will be capital, and the name, surname, जो आपका नाम है, आप उसको हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. एंड अपना जो आप लोग सरनेम लिखते हो ना, जैसे माई नेम इज़ अनुपमा जालान, सो आई विल हैव टू राइट अनुपमा A कैपिटल and Jalan J capital. Okay, so you will write it like this. Again, Haldi has done some mistakes. That is, she wrote met a giraffe. So what are the 2 mistakes she made? Met. Obviously, when you are starting a sentence, M will be capital met, and giraffe. Giraffe is the name of an animal, so it will be capital letter. It cannot be small. Am I clear? I'll give you another video about this later on. And this is about yes and no. You can do it later on when you get your book. Now comes this exercise where you have to fill in. Eating food, I wash my hands. After eating and before eating, what do you do? Before eating, obviously we wash our hands, and after eating also we wash our hands. Okay, so you have to write this sentence twice, before eating and after eating. Dash reaching school, I sit in class. Obviously, after reaching school, you sit in your class. Eating food, I wash my mouth. This is after eating food. And reaching home, I do my homework. Obviously, when you reach home, back means after reaching home. Okay. So in this way, you will finish this exercise. So this chapter is over. So I'll try to give you a video of where we should use capital letters and where we should use small letters. Thank you, and that's all for today. Bye.